Alex is a traveler, not through space, but through time. Today, he opened a program he wrote just a few weeks ago. He looks at the lines of code, the variables, and the logic. Then he has no idea what he was thinking. Why did I multiply this by 100? He asked. Alex realizes the code without context is like math without a legend. It's easy to get lost even in your own creation. But Python has a way to help. It's called a comment. By using a simple symbol, the hash, Alex can talk to himself or to other coders right inside the code. When Python sees the hash symbol, it stops reading that line. It's a secret whisper that only humans can hear. The computer simply skips over it as if does not isn't there. Alex starts labeling his logic. Instead of just writing a formula, he writes hash calculate the total price including tax. Suddenly, the code makes sense. It's no longer just math, it's a story. He learns that a good coder does not just write code that a machine can understand. They write code that a human can understand. Alice discovers there are two ways to leave these notes. For a quick tip, he uses the hash for a single line. But when he has a lot of to say, maybe a long explanation of a complex project, he uses triple quotes. These are called docstring or multi-line comment. They act like a long better to the future version of himself. This is the difference between a beginner and a professional. Professional coders know that they will forget. They know that others will read their work. So Alex makes it a habit. Every time he writes something tricky, he leaves a note. He is no longer just a coder, he is a communicator. Alex has built a great habit today. He knows how to document his journey. With basics of variables, inputs, and comment in his pocket, he is ready for something more colorful. In the next video, he will explore the world of strings and F strings, the way Python handles human language. Until then, leave a comment in your code and leave a comment on this video. I will see you in the next story.